Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your iPhone 16. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 16 and you are wondering how to set manual date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone 16 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here general. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say date and time. After click over date and time, a screen going to appear. If you decide to set manual date and time, you need to turn this off, set automatically, turn this off, and from here you can easily choose manual date and time if you want. Now for example, I would like to change the date September 2024 and I would like to change the time 7 a.m. Now if I go back, we will see now my phone going to appear new date and time. So in this simple way you can easily change or set manual date and time in your iPhone 16. But I will suggest you to turn on automatic date and time, which will help you to whenever you are in London and you went to Dubai, immediately your phone, when you reach in Dubai, your phone is going to appear with that local area time. So that will be much useful. So I'm going to again click here general and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to clear date and time and I'm going to click here turn on set automatic date and time. So in this simple way you can easily change date and time in your iPhone 16. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.